And I owned my own hearing centers for like 10, 12 years. And then I sold them. COVID happened, everything else. Well, now I'm kind of back in the industry because I missed it so much. And during my part of the explanation of the hearing, talks about like bass. You can project bass. And so you can make like an M sound louder. You can't make a soft sound louder, right? So, like, if a car goes by, boom, 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 you hear it inside. But if it went by with treble, you wouldn't hear it. So, like, mm, you can make it louder. But I always go, f, s, th, k, t. I go, make a loud F sound. And they always try. Do it louder. Louder. And then they spit out their teeth.